We'll guide you through how to share a folder in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Files. This will take you to your list of folders and files. Find the folder you want to share. Hover over the folder, and you'll see a Share button appear on the right. Click on it. A new window will pop up where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. You can add multiple email addresses, separated by commas. Below the email field, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Can Edit by default. Click on it if you want to change permissions to Can View only. This way, you control whether recipients can just view the contents or edit them as well. Once you've set the permissions, you can add a message if you like, which will be included in the notification email sent to the recipients. When you're ready, click the Share Folder button at the bottom of the window. The people you've invited will receive an email with a link to the folder, and if they don't have a Dropbox account, they'll be prompted to create one to access it. Remember that if you ever need to change permissions or stop sharing the folder, you can always go back to the folder, click on the Share button again, and manage settings from there. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.